OnePlus launched its first foldable smartphone called the OnePlus Open last October. While one may consider October this year as the perfect spot for the OnePlus Open 2, it seems that the company will take a little longer to launch a sequel. A new report from the reliable tipster digital chat station states that the OnePlus Open 2 will launch only in Q1 2025. That means it will launch anytime between January and March next year. However, on the good side, it might come with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 instead of the current Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. According to the tipster, the OnePlus Open 2 will have an upgraded hinge, a thin design, and a folding screen with a smaller crease. Furthermore, the device will come with a high-resolution cover screen and might feature a periscope camera. Considering the similarities between the Oppo Find N3 and the OnePlus Open, we wouldn't be surprised if the OnePlus Open 2 shares similarities with the Oppo Find N4/N5. It would be nice to see some upgrades like IPX8 water resistance and more improvements on software for the foldable screen. Last but not least, it would be nice to see wireless charging. The OnePlus Open 2 came with a $1,699 price tag. We don't expect the OnePlus Open 2 to be cheaper than its predecessor, so we definitively expect the best possible specs for that price. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.